Here's another meal prep recipe from me. Today we're making 5-spice beef and broccoli with rice. We brought this recipe in for close to 400 calories per portion, and here is the breakdown of the macros. Begin by taking 800 grams of tender beef. You can use rump or sirloin for this. Today I'm using rump, and cut it into thin strips. Place the beef into a mixing bowl and set it to one side. Next, peel and finely grate 2 cloves of garlic. And also peel and finely grate 25 grams of fresh ginger. Now take your beef and add in 45 ml of light soy sauce, 60 ml of oyster sauce, 4 grams of Chinese 5-spice, the garlic and the ginger. Mix everything together until it's all fully coated in those ingredients. Cover with a plate and place in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour, but ideally up to 4 hours. Next, take 1 head of broccoli and remove the florets from the stem. Then cut the florets into halves or quarters, making sure that they're all roughly around the same size. Whisk together 200 ml of cold beef stock and 15 grams of cornflour. Now place a large saute pan or a wok onto a high heat and drizzle in 30 ml of a neutral flavoured oil for frying. Once hot, add in the broccoli and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, just until it begins to char a little bit on the outside. Remove the broccoli from the pan and place the pan straight back onto the heat. Next, pour the beef and the marinade into the pan, give it a stir and cook for 1 to 2 minutes over high heat. Add in the stock and another 45 ml of light soy sauce. Place the broccoli back in, mix and cook for 5 minutes until the sauce is thickened and coats all of the ingredients. For the rice, take 300 grams of white rice. I'm using basmati rice for this recipe, and then rinse it under cold running water until the water runs clear. Drain it well and then place it into a saucepan. Add in 600 milliliters of cold water and a pinch of salt, and place it over medium heat until it comes up to a simmer. Once simmering, place the lid on, turn the heat down and cook for 15 minutes. Turn the heat off and leave it to sit for a further 5 minutes before fluffing it up with a fork. Before serving, finely slice 2 spring onions. To serve, take 5 containers and share the rice equally over all 5. And then do the same with the beef. Finish by giving them a sprinkle of the sliced spring onions. Let them cool down before covering and placing them in the fridge. So there you have it, 5-spice beef meal prep. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.